Page 29, Peaceful Sunset. Oh dear, what do we got going on? Well, I'll just go through the same process I go through to learn any piece of music, and I trust the process I use to get me through it. First thing I do is I look it over, get an idea how long it is. It's 2 lines long. The clef signs, I always look at the clef signs. They're treble and bass. They won't always be, but they are now. 4/4 time signatures, 4 counts in a measure, quarter note gets a count. I look through it, I see half notes, whole notes, and quarter notes. And at the end of the first line, we got that note going way up high. Good grief. I will talk about it. The right hand starts with third finger here. That puts the hand here. The left hand is down here on C and G, so you're here. So we're in C positioned. And we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then just move the right hand up here. And then that high note there, that is an E. It's 3. Those little lines are called ledger lines. 3 ledger lines. The top line on the staff is an F. 1 ledger line, it's every other note, is an A. 2 ledger lines is a C. And 3 ledger lines is an E. They're telling you it's an E, but you need to know that note eventually. So you're just going from E to E, E. That's all. Your left hand's right there, not moving at all. And then the measure 5, as you're playing this, you got to get the right hand back down. So as you're playing this, you're moving this. 3. 1, 2, and together. Okay? So that's basically the notes and the rhythm. Then I'll go back over it slowly and get rid of any hesitation, so it's a steady beat from start to finish. No hesitations. You have to look down when you're moving, from here to here and here and back to here. You got to look down for that. Otherwise, you don't need to look at the keyboard, I hope. Now, once the hesitations are gone, then I add the dynamics. You're loud at first, soft. Just real light. Heavy, light, heavy, light, heavy. Heavy, and then sort of heavy, soft. Now you're soft. And now as soft as possible. Can you get softer than that? Just real gently, real light. Let the wrist collapse a little bit. Stay relaxed. You can kind of stroke the keys when you get soft here. It's kind of a gentle pull out when you're doing that. You have to be careful because you still want to get all the notes down at the same time. So 3 notes together. Now, how soft can you play it? Don't use the soft pedal if you have one. That's cheating. We got to learn to do this with the fingers and the hands. So once I do the dynamics, then I think about the speed, and rather slowly. Okay, finally they gave us a rather speed. This is 1, 2, 3, 1. We have a problem in speeds, so we'll talk about it. We're going to talk about it some more. And that is, the longer notes want to speed it up, and the shorter notes want to slow it down. So these half notes, this feels slow to me. But if I play it that fast, the quarter notes are 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. They're moving. Well, if I play the quarter notes slowly, 1, 2, 3. That makes the half notes 1, 2, 3, 4. They drag. It's like, ugh. So we have to find a speed where everybody's happy, somewhere in the middle, so the half notes can be happy and the quarter notes aren't running crazy. It takes time. You experiment. But you're on the slow side of that, whatever it is. So 1, 2, 3. See, that's not really slow, but to a half note it is. And to a whole note it really is. Somewhere in there. Now there is a note here in the middle of the page. You can hold the damper pedal down, or the foot pedal down, excuse me, through the piece. In other words, play the first note and play the pedal, and just hold the pedal down to the end. You lift the pedal in the hand at the same time. You can do that if you want. I think it messes it up. I would not recommend the pedal here because of the dynamics. You can't hear the dynamics really well with the pedal because this is loud and this is soft. Well, with a pedal, it doesn't work. So in my opinion, you're better off without pedal. But if you want to use the pedal, you want an excuse to use the pedal, just hold it down for the whole piece. Yeah. Once you can play this slowly with no hesitations, let's play it together. Now, I'm not going to do the dynamics. We don't do louds and softs. We're not performing it. We're just checking notes and rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.